Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at this vintage easy set heavy duty mousetrap made by KORO. If KORO sounds familiar, you probably saw my video a few months ago on this trap. It works really well for larger rodents such as rats and squirrels. Now a lot of people have been asking about my thumbnail and why it's purple. When I made this video, I slipped a little bit when setting it, got it smashed, and for the next 5 months, I have to wait for it to grow out. And until then, I'll have to keep getting over 100 comments a week on how nasty my thumbnail looks. So sorry about that, I'll be more careful in the future. Let's take this trap out of the package and see how it works. Here's what a KORO snap trap looks like. It's really similar to a regular snap trap. It has a lever, a spring, a kill bar. To set it, you pull it back, put that over, then latch in the trigger. Now what makes this unique is it has a block of wood where you put the bait. That way the mouse will come up, and instead of grabbing the bait, they put their paws on this trap. The block has a really cool picture of a wildcat on top. So let's go set this up in the barn with motion cameras, see if we can get a wild mouse with the KORO snap trap. I've reviewed several hundred rodent traps, and one thing I've discovered is KORO makes a very powerful snap trap. Last night we set up their mouse trap in the barn. The mouse went in there. This is a unique trigger system and it worked really well. The mouse tried to get the bait and got caught. To release them, you pull back the kill bar, give it a little flip. It's a little bit messy there, but overall I really like this trap. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see different traps for catching mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, make sure you subscribe, and while you're at it, ring that bell to get notifications.